I really want to do like this blabby view. I think that'll be kind of cool. Hey guys, so we're gonna do a sit down talk video. Oh! Yeah, so my brother has a ring light and I thought I'd use it because, you know, I am a professional YouTuber. Wow! I should have been doing that. I have a pimple, but who cares? Hi sisters! Hi sisters! Yeah, this looks... Wait, you can't even tell. Can you? Oh, you can. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But I color correct my videos. Anyway, if you've made it this far in the video, you're like my best friend. I'm a perfectionist when editing or when doing anything, honestly. So I doubt that this will make into video because, I don't know. Yeah. Where do I put this? Because, like, it was on the stand, but then, so it was on this stand, but then it fell off. Whoa, look at the insides. Oh, you can barely, oh, it's too bright. If I, there, look. What, and the hand doesn't even do anything. But anyway, this is like a Zoom call with me. Except I don't really talk in the Zoom calls. Even with my friends, I don't know, I've just been really, like, not into talking to people lately, for the past 14 years of my life. But yeah, I'm filming for 6 minutes. This is probably going to be like a 30-second video, because all of this isn't going to make it in, but I still like to, because I repeat a bunch of things and I don't have a script. Oh, I have to write a drama script. Well, I have a Klimber. Oh, you guys are on the clip. Hold on. Let me re-angle. I'm back. I got it. You guys are actually sitting on it. I got this from Banggood.com and it was like $20 and I got a bunch of other things as well. And it's really cheap and it came before the delivery they expect. I don't know. It came before the estimated delivery time. Anyway, I haven't played this in a while. You know what, I should bring this behind it. Here it is. I have the stickers. Wow. Who am I? Sandra? I'm actually part of a band for Kalimba. It's called the Herb Girls. And we're touring next week. Tour dates. I should put the volume up to like 200 million decibels.